Well, unfortunately earlier on in the year I managed to contract septic arthritis, which happened from my first initial operation to reconstruct my ACL. And this resulted in infection. Unfortunately, as a result, in order to try and clear it, they had to remove all the reconstruction work, and it led to another 8 operations on top of the first one, so 9 in total so far. So during my recovery periods, I've been in the hyperbaric in the Isle of Man here, and basically it's helped speed up my recovery. There was a slight bit of bone growth which has never been seen in the last 5 years, which was quite nice. So the operation wasn't as large as they thought it would have to be, and as a result I just thought it'd be nice to try and give back something that's been given to me, really.
Now, what are you going to do?
Well, I'm cycling from London to Zakynthos, Greece, which is a total of 2,000 miles. I'm doing with another friend. He's also wanting to do it in aid of Help Heroes. So together we're going to try and work together to make the distance. Otherwise Mum will kill me if I don't make it in one piece.
Well, obviously you're suffering from an injury, so how are you feeling now?
I am. It's actually only been 4 weeks since my bone graft, which had to be taken from my hip into my knee in order to fill in the holes which were created from the actual infection. So I think it's going to be a struggle initially, but I mean the training's going really, really well. The physio and the doctor have both sort of given me the all clear, and it seems to be going really, really smoothly at the moment. I'm not sure how keen I am about the camping side of things, so that's going to be my one regret of the whole trip, I think.
Well, tell us about it. So when are you actually going to do it?
I'm setting off as soon as the 3rd of May from London, and we're hoping to arrive in Zakynthos, Greece for the 10th of June. And then obviously the whole trip will be camping, hopefully stopping off for a couple of showers here and there in youth hostels. And we're just sort of trying to raise as much funds in the meantime as well by getting as much publicity and much backing from the island and obviously across as well for Help Heroes.